the balloon. Just like with all the previous activities, we need an open, obstacle-free space so as to avoid hitting or breaking anything in our homes. The material needed is a balloon. The more inflated the balloon is, the easier the activity will be. If you want to increase the difficulty level, you can always deflate the balloon a little bit. Let's begin. The objective of this activity is avoid the balloon from hitting the ground. How do we do this? By slightly tapping on the balloon with the various parts of our body, avoiding the balloon from hitting the ground. This is the first exercise that you can do. As you can see with Carlos, how well he does it, using different parts of his body. Now we can do another exercise, but this time using only one hand. Choose which one you want to begin with, and we will begin tapping the balloon gently, with the palm or with the back of our hand. Keep an eye on how Carlos is always using the same hand. And now we can decide to change hands and switch sides. It's not as easy as it looks. Another exercise you can do is to alternate between hands. One tap with one hand and the next one with the other. We see how Carlos is using both his right and left hand alternatively. If you have mastered this exercise, let's raise the difficulty level by maintaining balance. How do we do this? We'll stand on one foot and then we will gently tap the balloon with both hands. But our foot must never touch the ground. After we have done this for a while, we can switch feet so we don't get tired. As we can see, things start to complicate a bit. And finally, the last exercise is to count how many times we can tap the balloon before it falls to the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you can continue like this for quite some time. Let's see if you set a new record. And if you want to enjoy it even more, you can do it with a partner. Make sure to stand in front of each other so you can alternate tapping the balloon.